Hello, my name is Konstantin. Our research department is developing the new generation gas analyzer. One of the tasks of our R&D department is the calibration of gas sensors that are used for air quality monitoring. Our company produces several types of equipment. One of them is the gas analyzer. This is our current gas analyzer, model G1. Also, we have been developing a new gas analyzer. This device can include up to 6 sensors and measure concentrations of 6 to 9 gases. Every sensor, either electrochemical or semiconductor, requires initial calibration after manufacturing, as well as periodical calibration during lifetime. Now, we have developed and manufactured our own calibration bench, which allows us to calibrate sensors in the whole range of possible weather parameters or environmental conditions. This is our calibration bench. It consists of several units. The first stage is the gas supply and treatment units. Here we prepare a zero gas by cleaning air from all atmospheric pollutants. Then the purified air is supplied to the second stage, the gas mixing unit. Here the flow rate separates into 2 parts. One part goes to the technical gas duct and then supplied to the first stage of humidifier. The second part of the flow goes to the mixing unit, and here the purified air is mixed with calibration gases from cylinders or from the ozone or formaldehyde generators. After that, the prepared gas mixture comes to the second stage of humidifier. And finally, it is supplied to the calibration unit, where the sensors are calibrated by measuring their signals depending on the wide range of environmental parameters. Then, during calibration, we collect all data, log all data, and after that, the gas mixture goes to the final stage and pumped out. In order to control precisely all the parameters like temperature, humidity, and gas concentration, we had to develop our own system of automation. You can see here all the units on the diagram. Now we are in our laboratory where the calibration bench is located, and here you can see our equipment gas analyzer that is going to be calibrated in this test chamber. This is the control cabinet of our calibration bench. Here you can see the power supply, industrial controller, switches, and converters, and other electronic components. Here you can see we developed our own system of automation for our bench. On the bottom shelf, you can see the calibration gases in the cylinders, the gas flow regulator, gas pressure regulator, the first and second stages of the humidifier, and another heater, and the pumping out unit. What I'd like to say about the period of calibration, the typical period is about 10 days. This is enough to cover the whole range of weather parameters, and we can calibrate up to 200 sensors per single cycle.